Hi guys! So today's video is going to be another get ready with me as per usual. But I have a couple of products na hindi ko pa napapakita sa inyo in any of my videos. So I am going to share it today in this video. So I don't know anong magiging title nito, but whatevs. Let's do it. So first up is from Fresh. Nagpadala ang Fresh ng mga products nila. So, isa-isahin ko muna sa inyo. Although hindi ko magagamit lahat ngayon kasi yung iba kailangan magamit sa bahay. Pero ito daw yung mga products na nire-recommend nila if you want to refresh, to rejuvenate yourself over the weekend or pag nasa bahay ka. So, random na lang ha. Una is itong Jeju Eyes Aloe Vera Whipped Foaming Face and Body Soap Whitening and Collagen. So, I will try this at home over the weekend or maybe tonight. I'm not sure, but yeah. Just in case meron kayong gusto nyo mag-try na panibagong soap at sawa na kayo sa mga sabon nyo ngayon. This is the Jeju Aloe Eyes Soothing Aloe Vera Gel with cooling effect. It's alcohol-free and paraben-free. Oh, this one is Aloe Soothing Gel Lotion. Okay, this one is a lotion and then this one is a gel. Okay, by the way guys, pag bumili kayo nito, make sure na sealed. Ayan. Okay, so this is what it looks like, a gel. Try naman natin tong lotion. Sobrang liwanag din naman ng araw. So, meron siyang spatula. Mukha nga siyang lotion type. Oh, it's thicker. Ay, gusto ko to. Ang sarap ng scrub. I love it. To take this off, ito naman yung next is yung meron silang Jeju Aloe Eyes Makeup Remover Wipes. Wow, it's makeup remover but gamitin ko na rin to clean up the samples. Last few products feeling ko magagamit ko ngayon. Unahin natin ito. So they have a spray. This is for the face and body mist Aloe Soothing Spray. Ayan. Gagamitin ko ngayon sa video na to. They have a pH 5.5 toner with Centella asiatica and niacinamide, alcohol-free and paraben-free. It cleanses, tone, and moisturize. Everything is made in Korea, guys. We also have yung UV block for face and body, watery essence with cooling effect, alcohol and paraben-free din. Ayan. Meron siyang SPF 50 PA++. Love it. And isa sa mga favorite kong skincare products, meron din sila ng mask, you guys. So, ang gusto mo na magpa-pamper but in affordable way, this is the way to go. So, to prep my skin, gagamitin ko yung kanilang toner. Ako dahil, clean fingers. Clean hands. Ako dahil, gusto ko talaga yung ganitong way of putting toner. Ayoko nang gumamit ng cotton. And then I'm going to use the sunblock. Oh, I did my brows na off cam because I don't have a new brow product to show. Pero let's proceed with my base. For my base, ito pinadala sa akin to ng isang Shopee online shop. Pero I'm gonna link it down below just in case you're interested. This is the April Skin Perfect Magic Cover Proof. Oh my god, shiny shimmering. Cover Proof cushion. And I got the shade 21, which is not my shade. Pero ang ganda sana ito if I just got the perfect shade. Pero medyo mas light pa to sa akin pag in-apply. I wanted to use the Pond's Ultra Bright something that I introduced to you in my previous video. Pero ito kasi dewy finish na. So pag nilagyan ko pa ng Pond's, baka maging shiny shimmering splendid na ako. So dito papasok ang Bench Contour Stick. This is so creamy. magpapasa siya na pwedeng foundation. Kung meron lang matinong shade, alam mo yun. So this is what the cushion looks like. Siyang SPF 50 plus and PA plus plus plus. I know I look crazy. Alam mo, ang ganda niya sana kasi naka-cover niya yung redness and everything, yung mga blemishes ko. Kaya lang hindi lang talaga swak yung yung shade. So, I know I'm super white, but don't worry, it'll get better. I'm going to use itong bench contour stick. Here you go. So, ginamit ko siya bilang bronzer. So, for the blush muna, mag-blush muna tayo. Nakita niyo na ba to? I found this somewhere in Shopee. Again, this is the GLAM Cheek Paint, and I got two shades. I got Sun-Kissed, and I got yung, Drunk Blush. Ayan. So, kung suki kayo ng mga independent online shops, I'm pretty sure nakita niyo to somewhere out there. Let me just show you the shades. Day, nakakaloka ang pigment nito, day. Just kwa! This one tiny bottle will last you months, or probably a year. Next shade is Drunk Blush. Sorry, nakita yung baby hairs ko. These cream blushes are pretty affordable. Siguro sa 100 something lang, or maybe less. I forgot. I'm gonna link it down below, just in case you're interested. For the lips, and you guys, these are also sent to me by the shop na nag-send sa akin ito. April Skin, link down below. Pero like, nakita nyo na ba to? This is the Face Shop jewel ring. It comes in this packaging. Ding! O diba? So, I have 4 shades, you guys. And, alam nyo ba? May something dito sa lip tint na to. So first is in the shade 01 Orange Carrot. So this is what it looks like if mahilig ka sa mga pinky orangey tone. Next shade is number 02 in Ruby Red. So that is Ruby Red. Medyo ma-orangey tone din siya. Ayan. Next is in the shade number 03 Bling Pink. I'm so sorry, hindi pantay yung swatch ko, but here it is. Ano siya? Parang, like, kitang-kita yung pagiging pink niya. And the last shade, which is probably my favorite, 04 Burgundy Carrot. Burgundy Carrot. I'm sorry, ang chararot ng swatch ko. Pero, ma-red siya. Alright guys, so ito na yung 4 swatches in the Face Shop. Jewel ring, lip tint, and you know what's the best part, you guys? Ay, libag ko na yan. Libag ko na yan natatanggal. But, it is budge proof. So kung naka-mask ka, just let it set. Hindi ito didikit sa mask ko. Diba? So I'm just giving you another option for lip tints. na smudge proof na, kiss proof na. Ayan, cutie pie pa yung nalagyan. Parang gusto ko rin ng number 3 bling pink kasi parang yun yung bagay sa sa cheeks ko ngayon. Guys, hindi ko pala siya ginawang lip swatch because this is so matindi. I mean, magtitint at magtitint na yung lips ko. So, baka maapektuhan pa yung other colors. Hindi nyo makita yung talaga ang difference. So, arm swatch na lang muna, okay? So, this is number 4 in bling pink. And I'm going to put, no, this is number 3. I'm going to put number 4 dun sa gitna para may depth yung ating lips. For my eyes, I'm just going to define it just a little bit by using yung ginamit ko sa eyebrows ko. Yung Beauty Pop by Pen Shop na eyebrow pencil. Why not? Diba? Pond's Insta Bright Glow Up Cream. I'm going to use this as a highlighter. Easy & Company Stick Highlighter. I don't like the formula of this, pero wala akong ibang stick highlighter na that can target itong inner corners talaga. Okay, so finishing touch, si Jeju Aloe Soothing Mist. Wait, my bags. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. We are done getting ready for today. And I'm so sorry guys, I hope you don't mind if I do looks that's, you know, pang everyday, pang minimal lang and everything. Kasi ngayong, may pandemic, parang, but, tingnan natin. Kasi I think I'm planning to do an eyeshadow tutorial anytime in the future. Kasi parang meron na naman akong narinig na chika na meron na naman bagong eyeshadow palette, ang certain brand. Watch out for it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Sana nagkaroon kayo ng idea ng mga bagong products na you might not know yet. Everything will be listed down below, including the links. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!